Yes.
Let me read the question once. Let me read the question. The following observations have been arranged in ascending order. If their median is 58, find the value of x. The data observations are 24, 27, 43, 48, x minus 1, x plus 3, 68, 73, 80 and 90. So these data, these observations have been arranged in ascending order. So for median already the arrangement is given in ascending order. Median value is given 58. Option A is 55, B is 57, C is 59, D is 61. Then second question, if x is 5 minus 2 root 6, then the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is A option 94, B 96, C 98, D 116. Third one, if A minus B is 4 and AB is 5, then the value of A plus B is 4, 5, 6, 8. The solution of linear equation 8x plus 5y is equal to 9, 3x plus 2y minus 4 is 0. Option A, x is minus 2, y is minus 5. B, x is minus 2, y is 5. Yes. The solution of linear equation 8x plus 5y is equal to 9 and 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. X is minus 2, y is minus 5, B, x is minus 2, y is 5, C, x is 2, y is minus 5, D, x is 2, y is plus 5. Chalo, take 5 minutes. Take 5 minutes to solve this. All sums done. Chalo. Okay, you have done. Chalo, send me the answer of first. First answer. First answer. Satish Patel B, Sarita Gupta C, okay, B C, Tanvi Patel B, Sahil Purohit C. So there is a tough fight between option B and C. Jay Gandhi C, Raj Chawda C, Rushabh Gathani B, Aryan Patel B, Ushu Patel C, Preet Mishra C, Gaurav Rajpurohit C, Arya Gurule C. C and B. Pratham Sethia C, Amit Jain C. Yes, Tanvi Patel, what is your answer? Chalo, send me once. Preet Mehta C, Arvina Prajapati C, Tanvi Patel B, Rudra Bagwe B, Satish Patel B. So B and C. There is a tough fight between B and C. Okay, let us see. B option and C option, two answers are there. So whenever you want to find median, you count how many data is given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X minus 1 and x plus 3 you consider as one data. This is my one data. Do not consider x and minus 1 separate. This is also your one data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So n is 10. 10 is even number. Okay. So what will be the formula for median? Hmm? When n is even, what is the formula for median? So median is 58. 58 is equal to n by 2. N is 10. So that will be fifth term plus sixth term divided by 2. Fifth term plus sixth term divided by 2. Fifth term is x minus 1. So 58 is equal to fifth term x minus 1 plus x plus 3 divided by 2. X plus x 2x. 2x minus 2. Sorry, 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2 divided by 2. 2 get cancelled. X plus 1. 58 is equal to x plus 1. So 58 minus 1 is equal to x. X is equal to 57. So where we have 57? In option number B. Yes. So option B is correct. My dear, many of you give the answer C. On what basis? Straight away you will lose 4 marks. 3 marks in the exam. Be careful, because multiple choice question we do not have option to show our mercy in giving the step marking. So automatically either you will get full 4 marks or you will lose 4 marks or 3 marks, whatever. In case if it comes. Chal. Send me the answer of second. Send me the answer of second. Second. Jay Gandhi C, Aryan Patel C, Satish Patel C. Or yes, others have gone to play. Tanvi Patel C, Alex Sagar lock option C. Okay, wait. Rushabh Gathani C, Raj Chavda C, Sarita Gupta C, Rushabh Gathani C, Anshu Patel C, Gaurav Raj Purohit C, Karan Chauhan C, Anushree Mishra C, Arya Gorule C, Jenil Doshi C. Okay. C means 98. C means 98, correct? 98. So when you will find x is 5 minus 2 root 6, 1 upon x will be, when you rationalize the denominator, 1 upon 5 minus 2 root 6, then you rationalize, you will get 5 plus 2 root 6. So now you find x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 6 get cancelled, that is 10. 5 plus 5, 10. Then you find x plus 1 upon x whole square, that will be x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. X plus 1 upon x is 10, 10 square is 100, 100 minus 2 is x square plus 1 upon x square, 100 minus 2 is 98, 98 is x square plus 1 upon x square. So what I am telling you, whenever you are attempting MCQ question, MCQ type of question, you can skip few steps. No need to write everything systematically. Directly you, because we are interested in the correct option. We are not going to see what you have written there, what you have written there. If you know this, you can directly work out 10 square minus 2, that is 98. You can also do it this way, without writing what is x plus 1 upon x. That is up to you. So correct answer is C, option C. The answer is 98. Option C, answer 98. Okay. Option C, answer 98. So let us send me the answer of third. Rudra Bagwe B, Jay Gandhi C, Satish Patel C, Jay Gandhi C, Anushu Patel C, Raj Chavda C, Anushree Mishra C, Rushabh Gathani C, Preet Mehta C, Sarita Gupta C, Arya C, Aryan Patel C, Pratham Sethia C, Amit Jain C, Tanvi Patel C. So majority are C. Okay. So I will go with the student poll. Student poll says C. Everybody. Third one. C means which option? C. Answer is 6. Let us verify. You are given the value of A minus B. Okay. And you want AB is given. You want to find A plus B. Whenever you have A plus B and A minus B, whenever in which formula they are together. For AB. Okay. So that is A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square is equal to 4AB. A plus B we have to find. A minus B is 4 is equal to 4 into 5. 4 into 5. 4 into 5. Okay. So 4 square is 16. Minus 16. Minus 16 is equal to 20. So 20 plus 16, 36. So a plus b whole square is 36. Taking square root, you will get a plus b is equal to plus minus 6. Out of plus minus 6, 6 values given. So I can take the option number C. Suppose the option is given plus minus 6, then which is the most appropriate answer? Yes. Suppose the answer is given plus 6, minus 6, plus minus 6. Which is most appropriate? Plus minus 6. Okay. If it is not given, you can select. Now, fourth one. Chalo, send me the answer of fourth one. Satish Patel B, Jay Gandhi B, Satish Patel B, Anushri Mishra B, Rishabh Gathani B, Sarita Gupta B, Tanvi Patel B, Anshul Patel B, Aryan Patel B, Neil B, Raj Chawda B, Ashwin Rana B, Karan Chauhan B, Aryan Gorule B, Pratham Sethia B, Jenil Doshi B, Arvina Prajapati B, Amit Jain B, Rudra Bagwe B, Gaurav Rajpurohit B, Jenil Doshi B. Okay, Ravina Chaudhary B. B means x is minus 2 and y is 5. So whenever it is given, solve the linear equation means you can use any method, but whenever the method is specified for subjective examination, you have to use that method only. If you solve that problem by any other method in subjective examination, you will get 0, even though you will get the correct solution. So 8x plus 5y is equal to 9 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. Multiply, make coefficient of y equal, multiply this equation by 2 and this equation by 5, and then they have same sign, plus plus, you subtract. So 8 2s are 16x plus 10y is equal to 18. 15x plus 10y is equal to 20. Same sign, plus plus, subtract. 16 minus 15 is x plus 0 is equal to 18 minus 20 minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. Which option? X is equal to minus 2. What about y? X is minus 2. So minus 16 plus 5y is equal to 9. So 5y is equal to 9 plus 16, 25. So y is equal to plus 5. Y is plus 5, x is minus 2. This is the option. Option number B. Yes. So how many of you just send me the reply in the chat box. Out of 4 questions, what is your score? 4 out of 4, 2 out of 4, 3 out of 4. That score you send me in the chat box. Let me read. Satish Patel 4 out of 4, Jay Gandhi 4 out of 4, Tanvi Patel 4 out of 4. Yes, others. Hardik Posia 4 out of 4, Akshul Patel 4 out of 4, Sarita Gupta 4 out of 4, Arya Gorule 4 out of 4. Pratham Sethia 4 out of 4. Chalo. Yes, any more? Want to show their score? So very good. 4 out of 4 is a good score. Let us see. Chalo, let me raise the level now. Let me raise the level. Fifth one. Factorize 25a square minus 9 minus 49b square. 25a square minus 49b square. Option A 5 plus 7b into 5 plus 7b. B 5 minus 7b into 5 plus 7b. C 7b minus 5 into 7b plus 5. Then C B 7b, then d is, chalo, d is none of the above. None of the above. None of the above. Sometimes the answer are none of the above also. So be careful. You check if it is the answer or not. Okay. The solution of linear equation. The solution of linear equation. The solution of linear equation using cross multiplication method. Using cross multiplication method. Using cross multiplication method. Using cross multiplication method. Okay. You are given the equation 2x plus y. 2x plus y is equal to 23. 2x plus y is equal to 23. 4x minus y is equal to 19. 4x minus y is equal to 19. Option A. Option A. X is equal to minus 7. Y is equal to 9. Option B. X is equal to 7. Y is equal to 9. Okay. C. X is equal to 7. Y is equal to minus 9. Then option D. None. None of these. None of these. Okay. None of these. So, how many problems you can solve? Try to solve as many as problems. See, I am not getting tired in doing the revision. Similarly, you should also not get tired in doing the revision at home. Okay, so one should not feel tiredness. So to keep on doing, chalo, one problem. Seventh one. Factorize. X minus 3 into x plus 3 plus 8. Option A, x minus 1 into x minus 1, B, x minus 1 into x plus 1, C, x minus 1, x plus 1 into x plus 1, D, none of these. Okay. One more question. Find the value of cosec 31 degree into cos 59 degree plus sec sec 59 degree, sec 59 degree into sine 31 degree. Option A 0, B 1, C 2, D 4. 5 minutes are there. So after 2 minutes we will discuss. Keep all your answer ready. Keep all your answers ready. After 2 minutes we will discuss our answer. Today we are having one more period. 6 periods. Yes, all of you are celebrating Navratri in your building, society. Yes, so wish you all happy Navratri. Yesterday it was the starting of Navratri. Today is second day, no? Yes. So celebrate Navratri in a safe way. In building, society, you can go meet your friends, but maintain protocol for COVID-19. Nothing to get worried, nothing to get scared. Okay, so whomsoever who have visited for your project I had given no mean weight, median height, then 10 to 12% of your building. So in Navratri you meet them and extend your thanks to them and wish them happy Navratri also. So next time they will give more data to you. Okay. Chalo, what is the answer of fifth? Chalo, send me the answer of fifth very quickly. Fifth one, send me the answer. Fifth one option. Satish Patel B, Jay Gandhi D. Arey Jay Gandhi D. B and D. Chalo, B and D. Tanvi Patel B, Raj Chawda B, Rishabh Gathani B, Aryan Patel B, Sarita Gupta B, Amshul Patel B. Yes, so without solving, you just press the button D. Okay, let the answer go. D. Sahil Purohit B. Hanushri B. Rushika Nandola B. Okay, very good. Arvina Prajapati B. Sahil Purohit B. B means this option. 5 minus 7B. Because see here 5 minus 7B and 5 plus 7B. You can write 25 square as 5 whole square, 49b square as 7b whole square. Then formula x square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. So 5 plus 7b into 5 minus 7b. Okay, this is the answer. And Jay Gandhi has said D. D means none of these. He is absolutely. The answer is there. When answer is not there, any one of these, then you can use the option none of these. So send me the answer of sixth. Sixth answer. Satish Patel B. Amshu Patel B. Raj Chawda B. Tanvi Patel B. Aryan Patel B. Rishabh Gathani B. Sarita Gupta B. Very good. Arvina Prajapati B. Karan Chauhan B. Pratham Sethia B. Anushri Mishra B. Rushika Nandola B. Sahil Purohit B. B means x is 7, y is 9. X is 7, y is 9. So this is the correct option. Okay, we have already solved using cross multiplication. Chalo, send me the answer of seventh. Satish Patel B. Tanvi Patel B, Anshul Patel B, Raj Chavda B, Aryan Patel B, Jay Gandhi B, Sarita Gupta B, Jainil Doshi B, Rishabh Gathani B. Chalo, any more student? Anushri Mishra B, Rushika Nandola B, Arvina Prajapati B. Chalo, any more? Yes. See here, when you will simplify, a minus b into a plus b will be x square minus 9 plus 8 will be x square minus 1. 1 I can write 1 square again a square minus b square. So that is a plus b into a minus b. So the correct option is B. X minus 1 into x plus 1. Chalo, send me the answer of 8th one. Tanvi Patel C. Opening batsman is Tanvi Patel. Non-striking batsman is Satish Patel. And non-strike end is Tanvi Patel. Both the batsmen. Just like the batsmen of Sachin Tendulkar and Virendra Sehwag. Same thing. Satish Patel and Tanvi Patel. Very good. So math subject, there is a team. We are striking. Opening batsmen are Satish Patel and Tanvi Patel. So every answer, both of them start. Chalo, send me the answer. Chalo, once more. Let me read the name. Sarita Gupta C, Anshul Patel C, Rishabh Gathani C, Satish Patel C, Raj Chavda C, Pratham Sethia C, Tanvi Patel C, Anushri Mishra C, Arvina Prajapati C. Okay. So Jay Gandhi C, Preet Mehta C. Okay. So next time I will make a team of 11 players. So today in this period I have selected opening batsmen Satish Patel and Tanvi Patel. Remaining I will include in the team. If I have to make a team of cricket from A division, B division, hardly 11 students I will be able to find. Anyhow, participation is good. See you in the 6th period. Okay. Bye everybody. Bye. Wish you all happy Navratri. Enjoy Navratri. Yes. Bye. See you in the 6th period. 6th period also we are having. Bye.